Hi there, welcome to another render demo how to draw video tutorial. Today's an exciting one. We're going to show you how to draw some feet. Well, actually just 1 foot. So let's get started. The first step is we're going to take our page and we want to divide into 5 equal pieces here. So I'm going to start up here with a line. You can use a ruler if you want. So we're just going to go and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equally spaced sections here. So what I'll do is at the beginning, our foot's going to be vertical like this. I'm going to start off by drawing a circular shape down here. Something like that. And then if you draw a line straight up, all right, the foot is not perfectly symmetrical. It's very anatomical, so we can't just replicate this and have it perfectly be mirrored. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and off to the left, we're going to draw a circle in this second section here. So we're going to draw shape like this right here, and then we're going to have kind of like a longer peanut shape that actually like intersects through here. All right, so we'll draw a shape like this, and it's going to come like at an angle in this direction here. So probably extend down below this line here, and it'll kind of line up to the edge of the heel over here. So we're going to do something like this. Alright, so we got our shape like that. And now we can add in our toes. So what we'll do here is we'll draw a line up from the edge of this circle here. And then inside of this, roughly about here, we'll draw another line. And what we'll do is we'll start with a big toe. So the big toe is going to come to the top here, and it's going to be slightly smaller than this circle here. All right, so let's draw like 1 there, and then these ones are going to be arced like that, right? Our toes are curved. So if we draw the baby toe, pinky toe, we'll draw a small one kind of in the middle of the line. I guess somewhere about here. And then if you want to draw the middle, the third one in, draw that like that, and then that'll give us our spacing for the other toes. Something like that. Okay. Now that we have our toes in, what we can do now is connect from this section here. We're going to connect to this section here, and we're going to kind of curve this inward. So we're going to come in, and then right at this middle, so we have this line here, this line, and this line. Right around this line here, we'll start to bend back like that. And then over here on this side, this will have a little bit of a bend over in this middle here, but if you start with kind of like a line like this, what we're going to do is we're going to come in, it's going to come out a bit, and then back in like that. All right, so that's our other shape there. You could put one kind of in the middle from where this almost intersects here. Just come that way and curve like this, and then we can connect our toes. So we'll go from this edge here to this edge here. So we'll curve this in, and we'll do the same here, like that, and then we'll just kind of do that for all the toes. Just kind of like connecting them. like that, and then over here you start to kind of lose the shape, and this toe kind of like that. All right, so that's pretty much the basic form of your foot. So we can go ahead and kind of shade in and kind of start tweaking a little bit. And you can start adding some shading, so kind of like where you're, I'm just going to do this all in pencil right now, but start defining your toe shapes, something like that. And they're not, they're not exact circle shapes, so you can have a little bit of, elongate them just a little bit. So they're not like exact. You don't want to use like a circle template because it just won't look right. And then I'm just going to kind of highlight and tweak a little bit more here. Same for the heel piece. This isn't it's not a perfect circle. So there you go, there's how to draw a foot in a few simple steps. Hopefully yours turned out as cool as mine did. Don't forget, click that subscribe button at the bottom of our page here, and that will allow you to see upcoming video tutorials from us. So hopefully you liked it, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.